All right, Dave Gardner here. I got a little review and actually live action. I'm going to be putting my garage storage hooks up that I just picked up on Amazon. And if we look close, we can see there's a few holes there. We'll hold it in the background against the door there. And it comes with a full set. If you look at the pictures, it'll come with a full set of basically wall-mounted material. We got screws for studs, of course, but also we have the plastic bits if you want to drill an anchor into things like concrete or sheetrock. And so there's two sets of holes. You have a smaller hole up here, and then you have a bigger hole. Smaller hole is just straight into the studs, and the bigger hole is giving you a little more space when you have those easy anchors for the plastic. So I have this old school material called new wood in my garage, and basically I just had, if you look at the pictures, the before pictures, which you'll see up here in a second, I just had my bikes and everything here. There was chairs, and I'm going to try to make it a little bit easier and better. So I'm just going to slap this up there, and we're going to put some of those chairs up on the ceiling, or not at the ceiling, that would be really crazy, but up on the wall. So just show you how quick and easy these really are. Make sure you do find a stud so that it will actually stick and then not rip off your wall. Now I'm giving it some tension. We see that it's there. It's nice and sturdy. I'm going to set down my drill driver, and I'm going to grab one of the chairs or a couple of the chairs, and here we go, right? There we go. Might sit a little bit better this way, I think. And voila, my chair is not now done. It's off the wall. We're going to hang a second chair. We're going to grab a third chair. And I could probably put a fourth chair on there. I have a smaller chair that will fit, possibly. And there we go. So I've actually cleared up a big area of the floor just by using my storage thing. So I'm just going to go off the screen here for about 5 seconds and just show you some of the other sets. And so we have two of those larger pieces that you just see. We have 3 smaller hooks. Check out the next part of the video. We're going to see some other things. I'm going to put the bike up here, but I'm going to pause this in a minute. We have slightly bigger curved hooks. And then we have a couple different size dimensions, similar to the one that I hung up there, that are a little bit smaller. I apologize that I'm holding them all, but again, you get a ton of hooks in this order. And so again, they're quick and easy to pop up. So we basically have a small, medium, and large set. This is the small and medium. We got the large up there, and then we have smaller hooks and larger hooks. So I'm just going to pause the video and stop, and then we'll get the bike up here in just a second. All right, welcome back. Next part, we see that small little orange thing right there on the back wall is one of these smaller hooks, and I easily just, again, popped it in, took 2 screws, I found a stud, and quick and easy. If we kind of like go down here, we can see, the bike's on the ground, it's in the way. And what we're going to do here, we're just going to take a quick second, and we'll figure out my coordination here. And there we go, voila. It is off the floor. Okay, I know you can see the bottom of the brick, and the garage floor, base floor is down there. So it is off the floor. I got some more clear floor space. Again, nice and quick and easy to use. So grab yourself a pair of the garage storage hooks today just by clicking the button below. All right, take care.